Welcome to Don Carinderia series. If you're looking for fish recipes, you're in luck. Today we're gonna be cooking Sarciadong Dalagang Bukid. Let's start cooking! First things first, we need to fry our fish. Be sure that the oil is hot. Common mistake when frying fish, it's the oil is not hot enough and your fish will stick to your pan. If you need to test if the oil is hot enough, splash a few drops of water and stand back. If the oil fights back, it's hot. Or if you have wooden chopsticks, all you need is one. Dip one end into the oil and watch. If there are bubbles forming around it, it's good enough. If I'm not mistaken, I first saw this technique from Wok with Yan. This recipe calls for Dalagang Bukid because it's my favorite fish to use for Sarciado. But in your case, what's your favorite fish to use for Sarciado? Please leave your comments down below. Here I am trying to mince some garlic. Did you notice my chopping board moving around? Here's a solution to that problem. Place a damp towel underneath. Let's get back to business, which is mincing our garlic. Get one medium onion and dice it. I really want my sarciado to be flavorful, so I'm using about 8 tomatoes, so dice them up. Please support my family and friends' YouTube channels: Angela Balan, Sherilyn Vlogs, Team Padilla TV, Cooking with Anadi, and Donnie Ray Cabral Official. We're done cutting our veggies. This time, let's beat 2 eggs. After beating the eggs, we're now ready to cook. On medium heat, saute your onions. Once your onions become translucent, it's time to add its best buddy, the garlic. It is time to add our diced tomatoes. Simmer until your tomatoes become tender. Give them time to release their juices, and that will make your sarciado more flavorful. I want a saucy sarciado, so I'm gonna add some water. This is also the time when we need to season our dish. Season with salt and pepper. In order to get that umami flavor, we're gonna be adding some fish sauce. Continue simmering the dish. Once your sauce has reduced, add your beaten eggs. Don't touch it for a few minutes. Leave it to curdle. Knock knock! Who's there? Bukid. Bukid who? Bukid ba ganyan? Ang ibig ko'y lagi kang pagmasdan. Once you see your eggs are forming, you may now stir it. It's time to add the star of the show, our Dalagang Bukid. Technically, this dish is already okay, but it's nice to give it more flavor. Cook for a minute or two on each side. Get your dinner plate ready, we're gonna eat. Enjoy your perfectly splendid Sarciadong Dalagang Bukid. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.